Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BIEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis a couple days ago, so that's where this red line annotation is coming from. And just want to get a few things updated here as the price has given us more data, so we can kind of draw a few more conclusions here. First key point still revolves around this red line here, the 0011. I talked about that as a level of resistance, and it's been a thorn in the side of the charts. Yes, the price has been able to break up above it, but has never been able to separate. So yeah, it broke up above it multiple times today, but as far as separating and just getting back upwards, not been able to do that. So it's almost kind of like 0011's got a magnet. And sure, the price can get up there and bump its head on 0012, but that's as far as the 0011 level lets the price go. So 0011 to me still that key level of resistance. And in my mind, how can you tell whenever a true break actually happens? Well, a true break in my mind is getting up above 0012 and staying up above 0012. Until that happens, it just seems like 0011 is kind of one of those annoying thorn in the side of the bulls type resistance levels that will let the price above and beyond it for a little bit before pulling it back down. So again, 0011 definitely that key level of resistance. As far as supports are concerned, everything is still perfectly fine here from the big picture perspective. Now, if you're a day trader and you bought right there, or you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 7 seconds, then yeah, from your perspective, things are looking a little bit rougher. But I'm not talking about from your perspective. I'm talking about from the big picture perspective. Everything's still perfectly fine. You can see down here at the 0008 mark, that's been doing a fantastic job of holding as support. And let's say that just remains the case for a little bit. So to illustrate the big picture perspective, let's say it goes down there, bounces around a few more times before heading back up. Even at that point in time, you'd still have this big base of lows right here. The previous base of lows would be down here, and if you picture each of those as stair steps, the stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. So sure, things have kind of lost a little bit of momentum in the sense of volume, but if volume returns, the bulls are still in a good spot. So we'll see what happens tomorrow and then next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.